Everybody, I'm going to do an unboxing and review on these DIGITNOW 3D soundstage wireless earbuds. These things will play up to about 5 hours of music and about seven hours of phone call time. Let's check them out. Okay, here's everything that comes in the box. Comes with this and then some instructions as well. Here's the case for them. Right on the side of the case now, that's where you charge it up at right there. And these things are ready for a charge. You can see those 4 dots right there, only one of them's lit up. We're gonna go ahead and plug it in until all 4 are lit up, so it's got a full charge on it. All right, that only took like less than half an hour for it to fully come up to charge from where it was at. Now these things, when you take them out, they automatically pair on their own. Take them both out. And if you're playing these things and you're, if you've paired them up and you're playing them, and then let's just say one of the earbuds doesn't sync up with the other or with your phone, just put it back in the case, let it sit there for a minute and pull them back out and it should work. Wow, as far as sound on these things, this is great. So I just tried various different genres of music. I'm a heavy metaler, so I was rocking my heavy metal on this, and they sounded great. Plenty of bass, plenty of treble, very clear, and also very comfortable and low profile as well. They don't stick out of your ears too far, and they're nice and light, so you barely even know they're there. They are also noise canceling, so when my music's on and these things are in, I can't hear anything else. So that's something to be aware of if you do want to hear other things behind your music. These things work really well. Here's a quick rundown on how these things work. And then as far as you see this one time up here, so as far as the left one, you just, this button right here, that one on the outside, that's the one you push for your functioning, and it's got it on both of them. And then the only difference, I'll go through each one, but the only difference between the two is fast forwarding or previous. Everything else is the same. You can turn the volume up or down individually, which is nice. So player pause is one time. If the call's coming in, just push that one time right there, and you'll be able to talk with the earbud. And then the end, just push it again. Now, if you want to reject a call, hold it for 2 seconds. And then previous, you push it twice, boom, boom, and it'll go back to the previous song. Volume, just push and hold it. And then here, for activating the voice assistant, you push it 3 times. Now, everything is the same between the left and the right one, except for, again, the fast forward or the rewind. When the headset flashes alternately in blue and red, quickly press the button 4 times. After the blue and red indicator lights are on at the same time, it will automatically shut down. That is, restore factory setting is successful. These earbuds will show up as DT28 on your Bluetooth. It's capable of box wireless charging. You can wear them swimming above the surface of the water, but you don't want to wear them under the water. Don't wear them diving either. And it's good for less than or equal to 10 meters. The signal will be interrupted if it's greater than or equal to 10 meters. Now, I've had this happen with other earbuds too. Sometimes after a lot of use, they have trouble charging. It just means some of the connections on them need to be cleaned off, and you can handle this by using an alcohol rag to clean the magnet connector on the earbuds and the charging case. Yeah, I highly recommend these, you guys. If you're in the market for some earbuds, you can't get any better than this. I mean, these things are top notch. They're awesome. They work great. Use them with all genres of music. Sound really good. The clarity is wonderful.